Do you want to teach your children more about bees, but you're not too sure how you can incorporate this topic into your teaching? This video will outline how you can use our All About Bees resource pack to engage your children in creative activities which align with subjects in the national curriculum.
Teach children about the importance of bees with this All About Bees resource pack for Key Stage 2. The pack is full of information about bees, such as PowerPoints, which can be used as a fantastic research lesson. Children will also view diagrams and reading comprehensions all about the life cycles and the pollination process, as well as a recipe for honey biscuits.
You could even set some of the activities as home learning tasks, such as the Maths Hexagon Fun activity and this Bee Mindfulness colouring sheet.
Our Common Bumblebee ID Guide is a handy spotter's guide that includes illustrations of some of the common bumblebee species found in the British Isles. This handy A4 guide can be taken out and about with you. Why not take your children outside to see if they can spot some of the different bumblebees? To assess the knowledge of your children's learning, why not use our How Bees Make Honey mini book? This is a great way for children to consolidate their learning about the fascinating process involved in bees turning nectar into honey.
I hope that this video has inspired you with the different ways to bring creativity into the topics that you are teaching. If you enjoyed these resources, then why not let us know in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.